alaikum, dear friends. I am Sarah and this is my tree house. Let's get inside it. Welcome to my tree house. Today we will be learning all about snails. Snails are one of the easiest creatures to spot, especially during monsoon season. Have a look at the snail. Snails have soft, slimy bodies that are protected by shells. Dear friends, there are thousands of snail species. Many of them are small and are of few inches. But there are some snails that are largest in size, such as giant African snail. This giant African snail is 15 inches long. Snails produce a slimy liquid known as mucus, which allows snails to slide further from one place to another by using their bottom muscles known as foot. Their mucus helps them to stay wet and avoid drying out. Snails use this mucus to stick to things. They can use it to climb up walls or tree trunks or up big rocks. They can even leave some slimy mucus behind them wherever they move. A snail has 4 tentacles. Can you see them? The short 2 are for feeling, touching and smelling. The longer 2 have eyes on the end of them. Snails actually cannot see very well. They just see light and dark. A snail's shell is its home. It always carries a shell around on its back. Snails even hide inside it to get away from its predators. Interestingly, as the snail grows, its shell grows too. Look, this is the baby version of an adult snail. Its shell is very soft and fragile. As it grows into an adult, its shell becomes hard. So you have to be very careful while picking up the baby snail. You can also hold it in your hand like me, but gently. Dear friends, I hope you had fun exploring about snails. See you next time. Jazakallah.